Got the hiccups.
Trying to communicate with Wes, you know, and what we're doing, we just thought, Phil's still here, he's young, and our friends, Wes would more likely to us. So, yes, you don't mind? Fine. Please. We're over next to the train depot. Really cool.
I don't like the hiccups either.
Steve, Dave are with me. They're good friends, good people. We're here to help. You know, I know it's hard for you to come forth sometimes, but what you gotta do is just try real hard to do something simple. You always like to make the sound of a tiger and scare people. You didn't do that at all times. You used to speak up on folks who never left. Scared the living daylights out of the staff. We'd like to be scared right now. Come on, you can do it. It'd be fun. I don't think it's any secret to anybody here at the zoo that you're still roaming around here, keeping an eye on everything.
There you go, now they're done.
Spots over here that might not fall.
Oh.
Pick that up. Very much around on that farm. EMS is flat. All right here. Les, if you're near us, thank you. Please, feel free to talk into this recorder. Give us some your family, your children.
On Sci-Fi's original Friday, an all-new episode of Eva. There are some things you need to know about this town. How you stop a serial killer, better not give him away.
I need his help, Nathan.
Who strikes from within? This guy's become a cheaper power of Eva, an original series.